Hey everyone, it's Cassie, and today we're going to be doing some Copic coloring, and I'm going to be using the new LDRS Creative Just Breezin By stamp. I've stamped it on some Nina Classic Crest Solar White cardstock using Raven Hybrid ink from LDRS Creative. I'm going to start by base coating her skin tone. I noticed that the ink was starting to smear a little bit when I was doing this, so I did heat set it. You don't normally have to heat set hybrid inks, but they take a little bit of time to dry, so if you're impatient, you might want to. So now I'm just finishing my base coating in E30. I'll then add in my shadows with E33, so I'm going under her hair, and under her chin, and under the bottom of her hands, and along the bottom of her pants and inside her shoes, anywhere where the shadow would fall. Then I'm going to soften that shadow out with E31. And I will add in her cheeks with some RV42. And then blend the whole thing together with E30. For her lips, I will use some E04 and then blend that out with some RV42. I'll be coloring her hair the same way I usually color hair. I'm starting with my second darkest color and adding that into the shadow areas in long flicking motions. I'll then move through to my lightest colors, extending those shadows a little bit more with each color. I colored all of the hair with the lightest color. This helps blend all of the colors together. It also ensures that I don't get any weird white highlights. I like my hair highlights to be the lightest hair color. I'm then going in with my darkest color to beef up those shadows, and then I'll work my way through my second darkest color and finish it off with my second lightest color. For my dress, I'm going to jump right in with my darkest color, and I'm going to put in my shadows. If you're scared to do it this way, you can go ahead and start with your lightest color to map in your shadows first. I'm also going to add some ruffles down at the bottom. I'll then work my way through to my lightest colors. I'm doing the same thing with her pants, starting with the darkest color and moving towards the lightest color. For my white areas, I will start with my darkest color, a W3. I'll then blend that out to a W0, and I'll be sure to leave a lot of white area as my highlight. I'll continue coloring the image, starting with dark colors and working towards light colors. So I'll just sit back and let you watch. For the grass, I'm going to go ahead and add in my shadows using my darkest color. Then I'll soften the edge with a bunch of little dots. I'll then move to my next color, and I will go over those dots with more dots using this lighter color and adding in some grass with a little bit of flicking motion. And I'll repeat this process through the rest of the grass. For my butterflies, I'm starting with a YR23 as my dark color, and then moving through my yellows to a Y11 as my light color. Then I decided I wanted a little bit more contrast in those butterflies, so I'm adding a little R22 right to that center, then blending that back out with the Y11. Then taking my white gel pen and adding a bunch of dots to adjust to add a little bit of texture and interest. And here you see the finished card. If you're interested in finding out how to make this card, there is a link in the description below for the video for that. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.